Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Emelie. In this video I will be playing with some ink and I will create two cards featuring two stamp sets from Picket Fence, and the first one here is called May Your Night Be Creepy, and it has a solid image, or it actually has plenty of solid images, but I picked this one with the hanging pumpkins. I just thought it was a really fun stamp set, so unique. I haven't seen anything like it. It's like a party decoration with pumpkin. I hope it makes sense. It's super cute, and I love the solid space here, and I decided to go ahead and stamp it one more time. Actually, I will stamp it 2 times more, but first one more here. And I decided to go in my favorite Halloween color sort of scheme, and it's purple, and we will have an orange. This is a really fiery orange color, and then we will have a perfect green. So this is maybe sort of a slime green color, and you can see it isn't perfect, but it doesn't have to be. You can see that like the end of the strings is ending a little bit funky here, but to hide that and make it not as noticeable, I will go ahead and take some ink with the blending brushes from Picket Fence and just go over it with the same color. And I'm lazy, I'm just using the package here because it has a slick surface, and you can just wipe it off with a baby wipe or a cloth, and then we have the green to the bottom, and that really disguises a lot. And then I took a new color of the liquid splatters here, and this is sort of a coppery color, and I believe it's called rustic nail or something like that. I will have it, of course, listed down below. It's a really fun one, and you can see here in the close-ups later on how it looks. I think it's just super pretty. And then we will go ahead while that is drying and create our second panel. And here is another stamp set called The Season of October, and it also has a lot of solid space. So both of these cards are featuring stamps that has like a subtle it's like coloring in itself, if that makes sense. And there is this tool from Picket Fence that helps you press your image down into your paper, and it's really helpful when you have images that has a lot of that is a lot of space to be covered, if that makes sense. So you can see I'm taking 2 shades here, and then I will go back and forward between the 2 shades, and I will also bring in a third shade further down here, and it's a really dark green color. So we will have 3 colors going across this large mushroom image. It's just beautiful. Hope the camera is picking up how beautiful that is, and it also has some small dots in it. Really cute. And then we have another of these girls, and it's the Freckle Friends Bella Boo, and it's so cute. And for this image I use my Copic markers. I haven't used them in a while. I have been very much enjoying using my Olo markers, but I thought I mix it up and go with some Copics here. And you can see I'm no expert at coloring at all with alcohol markers. I just want to point that out. So don't judge me for my coloring skills here. I just put down the colors where I thought it looked good, and I wanted a really dramatic cat here, so I went with some grays, and yeah, I just really covered him in a lot of gray markers. And then I kept working on her dress, and since I know I wanted this to be sort of Halloween inspired, I kept to this color scheme and had an orange dress here, and my orange marker was really dry. I hoped I could get some ink out of it before I had to re-ink it. So you can see I left some white space in the middle of the dress. I just thought it looked good. And then I wanted a purple belt here on the girl, and purple shoes, purple sort of gloves, I guess. And then I also wanted a purple hairband later on. You can see here I colored her ears and her tail as if that was a part of her. I don't know if that is sort of a costume or if she is supposed to be a cat girl. I don't know. I just wanted her to be a cat girl. I thought that she was so cute in that. And then I gave her some black hair here just to tie it in with the really dark cat down below. So that was my thought process of that, and I'm just doing some flickery motion here. I had a hard time sort of blending it and making it look good. I think in the end it turned out okay. If I had wanted, I could have gone back with my white gel pen maybe and lighten up some of the areas, but I think it looks pretty okay. So I gave the inside of the ears some pink, and then I wanted some rosy cheeks as well, so I just let that bleed together with her skin color, and then a white nose for the kitten. And yeah, she's so cute. And then I will cut her out, and then we can start assembling our cards. And that is always the best part, I think, with card making, to assemble a card. But before I did that, you can see I gave her some dots on the dress with a white gel pen. And here is the first card that we created. I just wanted to point out that I had inlaid all of the words in some foam, and then I looked at an older piece of paper that I had cut out just like a guide, and then I will lay everything out here. And since it's foam tape on the back, I have some wiggle time, so if I don't place it down perfectly, I could remove it for a while before it becomes permanent, and that is something I really like. And I raised it up with some more of that nice foam tape on top of a black card base. So there we have our first card, and it's all finished. I love the glitter on that one. And then we have our girl on top of our green background there. And you can see I messed up. I had a boo-boo up there, and I will cover it up with some sequins from the High Boo embellishment set from Picket. You can see I covered it up there. And I also off camera set a sentiment that says best wishes, and this one comes from another new stamp set called Sweet Spooky Holiday, and it's a really fun one. I will leave links down below for that one as well, so you can go check it out. So there we go, we have our 2 cards ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration on how you can use your solid stamps. I will have links down below for all of the products that I used in this video, and until next time, have a great day.